In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix image limit reached problem Grok AI. If you've seen the image limit reached message and you're stuck, don't worry. This usually comes down to usage limits and a simple reset cycle. I'll walk you through the clearest path to getting back up and running, explain why the limit appears, and show you how to avoid getting blocked in the middle of your work. Start by opening Grok. Head to the site or app and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This confirms the message you're seeing and rules out simple mix-ups like working in a different workspace or tab. Having Grok open also makes it easy to test each fix as we go. The most common and reliable fix is to wait for the limit to reset. Grok uses a rolling window for usage, which means your allowance refills gradually over time, rather than at a single fixed moment each day. In practice, a typical reset takes about 1 to 2 hours, though it can be longer if you've been generating a lot of images in a short period. Give it time, avoid repeatedly triggering new requests, and check back periodically. Patience here prevents you from extending the cooldown. If the limit should have reset, but the message still appears, refresh the app experience. Fully close Grok, not just minimize it, then reopen it. If you're on the web, refresh the page. If you're using a desktop or mobile app, quit and relaunch. If it still looks stuck, log out and log back in. This forces your session to pull the latest usage status from the server and often clears stale state that can make the limit look like it's still active. When you're back in, look to the bottom left and click the profile icon. This is where your account controls live, including plan details and usage information. It's helpful to know where these settings are since they're the hub for managing limits and seeing what you're entitled to on your current plan. From there, click Upgrade Plan. If waiting isn't workable for your workflow, moving to a higher plan can increase your image quota and reduce interruptions. Review the benefits and pricing carefully so the plan matches how heavily you generate images. Upgrading is optional, but it's the straightforward way to expand capacity when you consistently hit the ceiling. That's it. Open Grok, wait for the rolling reset, refresh or relaunch if it looks stuck, and use Profile then Upgrade Plan if you need more headroom. With these steps, you'll be back to creating images smoothly.